Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. So today we're practicing how to do cornrows on your hair. I'll also try and upload a video of me doing it on my own hair. But this is a video for beginners. So I'm trying to go as slow as possible so that you can follow along. And the first thing that you need to learn, I know of people who can't even braid, but the first thing you have to learn is how to braid. And that's why I've been doing the braids in the beginning, so you know how to position your hand and your fingers. Okay, so we're gonna get 3 braids. Well, I'm right-handed, so I use my right hand. That's my dominant hand. So this is how you hold it. I hope I'm explaining it well for those of you who are here to learn. You're gonna do under the left, and you're just gonna go under. All you're doing is just going under the middle strand. So you have 3 strands, and you're just gonna go under the middle one each time. There you go. This is exactly how you're gonna do the cornrows. So I'm trying to show you what it's like without actually doing the cornrows, so you have an idea how to position your fingers. So this is all that you'll be doing. Welcome in, guys. Please remember to like and share the videos so others can see that I'm on. I appreciate you for that. And they can hop in and send me out. All that you need in order to do a cornrow is, of course, freshly washed hair. It's best if you have the hair as straight as possible, and a comb. You need some shining jam. I prefer to use the red one because sometimes I use others, they hurt my nails or my hands. So that one and wax. I will try and show you the wax. I'll use this as well for those who have sensitive scalp or like using natural products. I prefer this too as well because I tend to have allergic reactions to some of these jams that are on the market. But yeah, it's very thick. It works well for me. Okay. So we're gonna go under 2 times before picking up. And then we're gonna pick up. You can use your finger to pick up. After practicing for a while, you'll be able to just do it real quick and use these two to pick up and go through. But for now, I'm just showing you. And this is, by the way, this is how you do stitch braid. I would normally use my nails. That's why I have the stinky nail to pick up. And you place it in between your pointer finger and your thumb. And then, like I said, you're always gonna go under the middle braid. You do the same on that side. You pick up. You're gonna go under the middle braid. Your pointed finger and your thumb goes under the middle braid, and you pick up. So that's all you're gonna be doing. Pointer finger, your pointing finger and your thumb go under the middle braid, and you're gonna pick the hair up. So I hope I explained it well for you guys and you can follow along. You can also slow the video down, rewind, and I'll try and come back on and do more live videos of me practicing or teaching how to do cornrows. Remember guys to like and subscribe if you want to see more lives. And thank you guys for being here with me today. I hope you have a great weekend. There you go. So let me know guys in the comment section if you did it and how if the video had helped you, and if you're now able to do it, whether on your hair or on your child's hair. And I'll also come back on and do a video, a live, on how to do braids or box braids as well. So I'll be doing that next. I won't promise, I don't know exactly what day I'll be doing that, but I will definitely be coming on and putting that video up. So thanks again guys for joining. Like I said, welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you for those who have been with me for a while. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. This is the end of the live. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.